How to download your information on Facebook Messenger app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download your information on your Facebook Messenger app. So easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it, and now click on your profile. Scroll down until you find account setting. Click on it, and now you have to scroll down again, and you're gonna see your information, and click on the second choice, which is download your information, and you can download a copy of your information to keep or to transfer to another service. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.